Okay, so this is just a quick tutorial to show you how quickly it would be to manually upload reports and put them and link them to patients in Be-Free software. So what I've done here is I've just got a little folder here where I've put in a couple of lab reports and a couple of X-ray images. These would be things that were emailed to me via laboratory or something like that. But generally, what I do also, if they were emailed to me, I would just drag and drop them, just like I'm going to show you now, out of this folder, straight out of my email box and into Be-Free. So let's go into Be-Free now, and I've selected this patient here called Baby Sword. I'll go here to the Patients tab, Baby Sword there, select the patient, and you'll see here there's a tab here called Files. And now, say for example, I'm going to upload a laboratory report, so I'll just grab this laboratory report here. So we'll say Add New File, grab my laboratory report, I just drag it and drop it onto Choose File, and I say Upload File. And it's as simple as that. It takes a few seconds and the file's uploaded. And then I've got a second laboratory report here, Lab Report 2, Add New File. Just drag and drop the file on there, and I upload the file, and that's done. I don't even have to give it a title or a name. Those things are optional, because you can see here that they called the original name anyway if you don't give them a file name. So there they are. So that's it's as simple as that, as linking files and documents to patients in Be-Free. But the real power of this is that, having done this, you can actually manage your files in two ways. So here I've done it through Be-Free software, but Be-Free software speaks to your Google Drive. So here I've logged into my Google Drive on this other tab, and we know that this patient here was called Baby Sword with ID number 20235. Now Google Drive has got very, very powerful search functionality. So if I just type your sword, you can see he's automatically found Baby Sword. Or if I just typed ID 20235, ID 20235, you can see it's found that patient. And if I go into that patient's file, there are my two lab reports. So you're seeing the same thing just through using Google's interface or Be-Free's interface, which then enhances the functionality even further, because if I really want to drag and drop files quickly, I just have to find this folder in my Google Drive, and then these X-rays here, for example, I can just drag and drop them and put them into my Google Drive. So I can just grab X-ray 1, drop it in there, upload and share, and up it goes. So I can just manage it straight through Google Drive, and I'll put in X-ray 3 straight into Google Drive, upload and share. And these here, you can untick these, you don't even have to go through these boxes. So there goes X-ray 3, all done straight into Google Drive. Because it's in Baby Sword's folder here, you'll see here when I refresh this page, these files are now in Be-Free also. So whoever's managing your files can cut and paste and copy directly into Google Drive. So really, with laboratory integration, it's only if you want to get used to it, it takes about 4 or 5 seconds to transfer manually a laboratory result or an X-ray or an image of a skin case from whatever system, or if the laboratories email you lab reports and things like that, it literally only takes a few seconds to transfer them across to the patient's file, and then you can just view them straight out of here. If I just click on that X-ray 3 there, it'll download here quickly just in my temporary folder, and I can view it directly out of Be-Free. So I've got complete control of my documentation like that. So that's a quick tutorial. It just shows you how easy it is to manage your files and X-ray reports with Be-Free.